Good morning, everyone. We're doing a little shopping to get our paint and everything for the bathroom. So hopefully I'm getting the right paint here, but I think I am. And then we're all good to go. I'm gonna do this boiler room white, and then later we can color to spec to what we want to do the rest of the bathroom. It is beautiful weather outside, but we have to work inside. We're in the bathroom and we're going to continue working on the ceiling and walls, removing some of the old paint and applying a new fresh coat of paint for that section at least of the boiler room. Okay, I think this should about do it. Then I've got this first section cleaned. Well, first pass I'd say. I think I need to go over it with like an angle grinder with like a metal brush kind of thing to get all these rough bits out. But I think 80% were there for this boiler room at least. I guess I'm gonna continue with the beam and everything. And then later we're gonna do this whole thing and strip the rest so we can paint it properly. Something like that. That should work. this gives a better idea. It's way easier like this to see where the beam is going, what I need to clear out. So what I'll do now, because it's also easier like this, now I've got these brackets in, I can measure the distance between the two and then cut off the beam at the appropriate length. Then I can treat it with the stuff that I bought and then I can put the beam in. So once, well, that needs to dry. So these anchors need to dry, that beam needs to dry, and then while all that is drying, I can start working on the paint and painting. And while that is drying, I can work on the beam again. Efficient. So now the interesting thing will be, is this gonna be level when I put it on the brackets in the bathroom there? And to be honest, I highly doubt it. But exciting moment, we're gonna see.